In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your declarations page on Geico Mobile. First, open the Geico Mobile app on your iPhone or Android device. Once the app is open, sign into your Geico account using your login credentials. After you're logged in, go to the home screen and tap on your active insurance policy. This will take you into the area where your policy details and related files are stored. From there, scroll until you see a section labeled Policy or Documents. Depending on the version of the app you're using, the wording may be slightly different, so don't worry if it doesn't match exactly. Tap on Policy Documents or Documents to continue. In that list, look for a file called Declarations Page, Coverage Summary, or Policy Declaration. These names can vary a little, but they generally refer to the same type of document. When you find it, tap the document to open it and give it a moment to load completely. Once it appears, review the information carefully. Your declarations page usually includes important policy details such as your coverage limits, deductibles, insured vehicles, and premium information. This is the page people often need when they want a full summary of their insurance coverage. If you want to keep a copy on your phone, tap the download or save icon if that option is available in your app. You may also see a share icon, which can be useful if you need to send the declarations page by email or another sharing method. If you can't find the document inside the app, open your mobile browser and sign in to your Geico account on the official Geico website instead. After signing in, navigate to the policy documents section of your online account. Then open your declarations page from the available documents and download or print the PDF if needed. If the declarations page still isn't available online, contact Geico customer service through the app or by phone and request that a copy be emailed or mailed to you. Once you receive it, make sure the document shows your current policy information so you know you're working with the most up-to-date version. Finally, keep a digital or printed copy for future reference. Your declarations page can be very useful whenever you need to provide proof of your insurance coverage details. Following these steps should help you access it quickly and save it whenever you need it.